Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk about a concept that I learned about last week, and this concept is a Japanese word called Teinei. So Teinei means living mindfully or living with intention, and I actually wrote out a definition for it here on this little piece of paper. And let me first go ahead and read that aloud to you. Teinei, a Japanese concept meaning polite, careful, thorough, and conscientious, extending beyond simple manners to a mindful, respectful way of being present in every action, bringing a sense of calm and honor to life. So after I learned about this concept last week, I kept it in mind and tried to practice it in every little thing that I did over the past week. I tried to be really present and mindful in every little thing that I did, whether it was folding my clothes after doing laundry, working out, waking up and making my bed and making my breakfast, or pulling out the medications for my patients at work. I tried to be very present in each and every little thing that I did, not focusing on the end goal or where I was trying to get to, or not doing it in a hurried way, but rather enjoying the process of whatever it is that I was doing. And I think that when we live in this way, we're able to really live in the moment and relish every little thing that we do to the fullest. Because after all we really have is the present moment. If we're always looking toward the future, for example, while driving, if we're just thinking about the destination and just rushing toward our destination without really enjoying the ride, it's going to be like we're wasting that time. We could really enjoy whatever we're doing, the process of whatever it is that we're doing. Like when I drive to work, I try to be ahead of time. I try to get up early so that I can really enjoy my drive to work and play some relaxing music or whatever music I'm in the mood for on the way to work. And in that way, that time becomes precious and it becomes a memory for me, and it becomes a part of my life that I will cherish. So I encourage you to practice Teinei. Practice being careful, thorough, and conscientious in every little thing that you do. Even watching this YouTube video of mine, try to be very much present and paying attention to what I'm saying, to every little word. Enjoy it, relish it, soak it in. And I hope that you do that with every other thing that you do, every conversation you partake in, when you're preparing your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner. Whenever you're doing anything at all, be fully present, and that will bring you a sense of calm, and it will bring honor to your life, and take pride in everything you do. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to and/or watch my video today. It means so much to me. And with that, I'd like to wish you a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, or whatever it is, wherever you are in the world.